Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago. Well, happy Friday and good morning. Overnight markets are a little bit higher. I think individually in the beans, we've got the nearby up a little bit. There is some talk that China will not be selling soybeans out of the reserve next week, which may be supportive. We're also seeing a bump in India soybeans because of the monsoon weather forecast. We're also seeing a bump in palm oil prices because of that same forecast. So beans a little bit better in the nearby, and we'll see if that attracts any buying of the spreads that have been hit pretty hard recently because of all this talk about increased U.S. soybean imports and also China demand slowing. Corn and wheat's up. Ukraine situation's getting a little hot over there. Accusations from one side to the other, and the U.S. kind of in the middle. So, we'll see over the weekend if there's any more escalation and tension there, and how that impacts corn and wheat prices. Corn also supported by the fact that we are hearing reports that maybe as much as half of the central Iowa and central Illinois corn crop is planted, but overall U.S. corn plantings on Monday could be near 20 or 22% done. That's below average, but it's above last year. Now next week we should have at least the first 3 days of the week rain every day, and that's going to slow plantings down. But it will recharge some of the soils in the Midwest, which could be money in the bank for the crop yields. So the corn market is also supported by demand. Sales were good yesterday, margins remain good, so we'll see if there's a good base under the corn market until we get this crop planted. Over the wheat, it's mostly Ukraine, but we're also watching hot temperatures over the weekend in the plains, and next week the crop tour will estimate Kansas crop production. We'll see if that has any impact on the wheat market. You kind of get the feeling that $7 Chicago wheat is a norm right now. We may not break much below that price until we know more about our crop size, and we could edge higher if there's problems here in the United States as far as weather is concerned, or the Ukraine situation gets worse. Outside markets are all lower, dollar's lower, crude's lower. This could be some uncertainty of the Chinese economy. This could be some uncertainty of the U.S. economy. But we also could be retrading some of that tension that's in Ukraine. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.